Hi guys, yesterday I celebrated my birthday. Look at all the gifts I got. First, I'm going to open this. Help.
What did you get inside there?
I got Squirtle, Sableye, and Jolteon. Move the trash. Can I see the list, Daddy? Take Jolteon out of the bag. And look. I got Jolteon out of the bag. Help. Is it going to say bye-bye? Okay, next we're going to open the Epic.
What's that one? Tell us about it.
Epic Battle for Pokemon. Get Gyarados. Should we open it?
Yeah.
I need help.
Use your scissors.
Ooh. About to fall. Wait, what?
Tell us about the Pokemon toy.
Guys, I like it because it's a big Pokemon and because Gyarados is big.
Okay.
So guys, if the epic battles comes with other Pokemon, so you can get Blastoise, Blaziken, Dragonite, and Dragonite. Okay.
Can you show us how Gyarados looks like? Come on, move it around. Move it to the side. Turn it around. The other way. One more. There you go. Cool.
Guys, I'm not going to take the box out. So this is Squirtle and Pikachu. I'm not going to take it out because I want it to be very clean for a long time. Guys, my next toy is my partner Pikachu. Reacts to your touch.
Action.
So guys, this is how you switch it on. So you touch at the head, the nose, the belly.
Touch the belly again. No touch.
Put it in punch.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's like Zubat.